Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tura, Chingalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Kementri ke bapak je katanak ke koi ke khia kong amprin lingdo kala ong bagajing train na benta ke Tura Medical College kalaya Shakhmat bat kumba kalong benta ke kam kalaya kumba 100% henrai ke Shillong Medical College bat ke Sorkar kadang song Pyrkhat bat kadang hab banyak keren janai bah.
Learning from the Tura Medical College, we've learned a lot of important, valuable lessons there. So we are yet to formulate a finalized approach. This matter still has to be taken to the cabinet, but internally engagements are on. We are looking at a high probability of the Shillong Medical College actually occurring in Shillong itself without looking at wastage of direction of funds to infrastructure building, when we already have the civil hospital, we already have the Ganesh Das hospital, we already have so many other hospitals. We have the TB hospital. So all these hospitals are already there. We already have the infrastructure. Likely we will need additional buildings, but all of that is at a very initial stage. We still require proper cabinet notes to be sent, proper, projections to be made. But yes, Shillong Medical College will probably change from the old proposal. We may have a PPP proposal as was proposed earlier, but not necessarily in Shillong, but somewhere in this part of the state. But all of this is just being prepared now, and it would be incorrect for me to divulge too much on that. But one message that can go very clearly is that we are concerned, we are on the job, we will come up with a proposal and a plan at the earliest. These institutions materialize within the timelines that were specified.
By when is it like?
I'm not aware of that also, but I know that yes, we were told to institute one, and it has been done in the Garo region. Yes, we have to institute something in the Khasi region or the Riboy region as well. That we are on the job, it's in the pipeline. But we cannot spell it out with full authority because we are still at a discussion level. We are still trying to look at what is the best way forward.